we got the house and I probably have more furniture than anyone else I know. And everyone's like, why isn't it furnished yet? I'm like, I'll get there. I'll get there. Because, I want to go through this process and, really, make it my own. But maybe I don't know exactly what I want to begin with. So there's certain items that, okay, it's good to have now, but maybe as we get into the customization and design of certain aspects, there might be some moving and shifting. And I think there's a little bit of that mystery and that aspect that it makes it fun. I'm used to the furniture and rugs, but then you get the whole wallpaper.
You've got the grounding elements, and then I do the finessing.
I'm gonna work with Avery, Frank, and some friends that are designers, and then me. I mean, I'm not a designer. I play one at Greenfront, but I think it'd be awesome to really see how different furniture talks to each other. Maybe learn more about whether it's wallpaper, custom hardware for bathrooms, redo the kitchen. A lot of these things I haven't done before.
Those colors should go in that room.
Hopefully I keep this house for the rest of my life, so I'll have plenty of time to, really just, do things that make a house a home, and then learn from that, and, hopefully take what I learn and, see how that can help at Greenfront.